Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS Training Hub. Today we're doing a Band 6.5 IELTS Speaking mock test on the cue card. Talk about a TV show you like to watch. Let's begin. Good morning, my name is Ms. Taylor. What's your full name?
My full name is Mia Tork.
Thank you. Can I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Now, in part 1, I'd like to ask you some questions about television. Do you often watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV almost every day, usually in the evening after my work. It helps me relax.
What kind of TV shows do you like?
I like watching comedy shows and also some reality shows because they are light and enjoyable.
Has the way people watch TV changed?
Yes, I think so. Now, many people watch shows on mobile phones or apps. Not many people sit in front of the TV like before.
Thank you. Now we will move to part 2. You will have to talk about the topic for 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say and make some notes if you wish. Here is a pencil and paper for making notes. Here is your topic. All right, please begin.
The TV show I like to watch is called The Kapil Sharma Show. It is a very popular comedy show in my country. The main host, Kapil Sharma, invites different celebrities like actors and singers, and they talk about their movies and life. The show also has many funny characters who make jokes and do small comedy acts. Sometimes the jokes are silly, but they still make me laugh a lot. I usually watch this show on weekends, mostly on Saturday nights. My family also likes it, so we sit together and watch. I like this show because it helps me relax after a long week. When I am stressed, this show really changes my mood. Also, the jokes are easy to understand, and it feels good to watch something light. So this is the TV show that I enjoy watching the most.
Thank you. Now let's move to part 3. Do you think watching TV is good for people?
Yes, watching TV can be good because people can learn new things and also relax. But watching too much is not good because it wastes time and makes people lazy.
Why do people like watching reality shows?
I think people like reality shows because they feel real and interesting. People enjoy watching normal people doing challenges or showing their talent. It feels more natural than movies.
Do you think children should watch TV?
Children can watch some TV, but only good programs. Educational shows are okay, but violent or adult shows are not good for them. Parents should control what they watch.
Thank you. That is the end of the speaking test. Don't forget to like and subscribe to IELTS Training Hub.